Hi, I'm Jesse with Thumper Fab. Today we're going to show you how to install your rear chassis brace for your Can-Am Defender. First thing you want to do is remove this rear panel. In order to do that, you'll have to drill these rivets out. I'm using a 1/4 inch drill bit. Now that you got your plate removed, you can remove the 4 bolts that hold on the rear of the A-arms, the uppers and lowers. Now it's time to install your rear frame stiffener. Just set it in place. Short bolts go to the top and the long bolts go to the bottom. Install your new flange head nylock nuts and tighten. Now that all your bolts have been tightened, it's time to enjoy your rear chassis stiffener.